if I have a vector A, if I have another vector B, and I want to add them. So there is a thing called triangle method, there is a thing called parallelogram method. There are two methods to it. And we learn both of them, right? And both of them give you the same answer. They are two different ways of saying the same. You will understand how. Tell me, if I want to add these two vectors, the process of triangle method is place the tail of one vector on the head of another. B को शिफ्ट करता है, the vector remains the same. You know, इसके head पे इसकी tail. So you have to put the tail of one vector on the head. If I have to move A plus B, if I have to add these two vectors, so on the head of A, I'll keep the tail of B, and now I'll complete this triangle. The third side of this triangle will give me the resultant vector. This will be resultant, which is A plus B. This is called triangle method. How many of you understood this? इतना समझना है? ट्रायंगल मेथड में ट्रायंगल बनेगा, दोनों वेक्टर्स की एक की टेल पे, एक की हेड पे, दूसरे की टेल को रखो. Complete the triangle, this third side which completes the triangle, and starting from this point, initial point, tail, to this head, this will represent the resultant vector A plus B. Okay. What is parallelogram method? Parallelogram method is keep the tails of both the vectors together. वो बस इतना बोल रहा है. Keep the tails of both the vectors together. How do I do that? What should I do? Tell me. The tail A is here only. I'll shift B here. कर दूं? ये लीजिए B यहाँ पे ला दिया. Keeping its direction and magnitude same. So ये A है और ये vector क्या है? B vector है. Yes. Now their tails are kept together. Yes or no? Now complete the parallelogram form. What is the parallelogram form? This is one side of the parallelogram. This is another side. Now you complete this parallelogram. So this will be the parallelogram. Yes or no? They say this diagonal represents the resultant A plus B. Correct? We are getting the same method. Suppose I give you one vector is A, like this, and this vector is B. Just draw me what is A plus B. By triangle method, अलग से करो, by parallelogram method. So for A and B, this is A, this is B. If I want to use parallelogram triangle method, what should I do? Wait, क्या करूं? B को शिफ्ट करके कहां पे ले आऊं? एक के हेड पे दूसरे की टेल में. Now complete the triangle. How will you complete this triangle? Here. This is A plus B. ये क्लियर? ये सब बच्चों से हो गया था. Now I want to do the same thing for parallelogram. अब मैं इसको हटा देता हूँ, A plus B. अब B को उठा के वापस से और हम लेके आएंगे कहां पे? Now I have to place their tails together. So I'll shift B from here and I'll put their tails together. We have to keep B, the length and the direction unchanged. So the vector remains unchanged. Is that clear? Now I've kept their tails together. When you have kept their tails together, now you complete this parallelogram, which is going to be formed. So the completion of the parallelogram will be like this. Draw a line parallel to this, draw a line parallel to this. Now this diagonal will represent A plus B. Is it the same or not? The answer that we got in the previous question. Is it same or not? I'll clean it to you. It is same. See, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Yes or no? And equal. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
If this is parallel and equal to B, so is it B vector only or not? If this is A, this is B, and their tail of A is kept on the head of A, so this was completing the triangle. और यहाँ पे वो चीज अलग वर्ड्स में आपने पैरेललोग्राम बोल दी, आंसर दोनों से सेम आ